the olden days, they used to say that girls' place is in the kitchen. But it was a lie. The person that designed our Ghana flag was a woman. So it is not always that men should be the one in the classroom. Even a woman have a right to participate.
When we are all playing together, it makes me feel more excitement that now girls cannot be playing on one side and boys cannot be playing on one side. Now we can join and play together.
We sit them both boys and girls. A girl here, a boy here. So you see that the more they get closer to each other, the more they become used to each other and they feel like being together. There's no separation like I'm a boy, I'm a girl, something like that. And then also distribution of questions in the classroom. When I'm to ask a question, I don't maybe ask only girls. I ask boys and I ask girls too as well.
I think if I go to school, if I am educated, I can achieve my goals. My dreams can come true through education. Education helps a lot. All our presidents, teachers, nurses, journalists, all of them, they all go to school. If they didn't go to school, they wouldn't be such great persons. So I'm sure that education will help me to achieve my goals.